Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. If your YouTube video is showing not available or error 4, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. First thing first, you have to make sure that the video is available in other browser but you are not being able to access in your Chrome. If the video cannot be accessed in either of the browser like Chrome, Firefox, Safari, then just know that the creator of that video has deleted it from YouTube. But if it's otherwise, here is how you can fix it. Click on three dot icon, select Settings. From here, select System, and you will see Use Graphics Acceleration when available. Untoggle this and then select Relaunch. It will open up your Chrome again, and once you do so, again come onto the Settings page and click on Extensions. If you see any extensions that you are using, toggle it all off. And once you do so, go ahead and restart your device, launch your Chrome, go onto the video, and this will fix your problem.